Is the language setting not working properly on the Alibaba app? If the app is showing the wrong language, you can change the language or your selected language isn't being applied. These steps may help. In this video, I will show you how to fix language on Alibaba. The first thing you have to do is to go to Alibaba app. As you see, we'll tap here. Then in this page, you click on the sign of your profile. After that, here in this window, you will move to settings. Then here in this list, you will find language. So you will tap on language. And after that, here in this page, you can scroll in and you can choose with any language that you want to choose here. So this is how it works. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.